Hey everybody, Scott Carson here, and it is a hot day outside here. I don't know about you guys, but it is hot everywhere. And I do not miss the days of having to rehab properties or to show up contractors or go meet listing appointments, stuff like that. Oh, I hated all that stuff, especially in the dog days of summer. So how do you get around that? How do you avoid that? How do you find some hot deals with hot returns without sweating your ass off? Well, I'm going to tell you to join me this Saturday at my one-day Note Weekend training course. That's right. You can be in the cool AC, learning in the comfort of your own home about how to buy and sell non-performing notes. I'll show you how to find, fund, and flip distressed debt on residential commercial properties at huge discounts direct from banks without huge overhead costs. That's right. You can do this with the internet and a cell phone and from the comfort of your cool office or home. So join me, once again, noteweekend.com this Saturday from roughly 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time to early afternoon. We'll go through a ton of fun stuff. We'll stay there all day. You get the replays, over $1,000 in bonuses, and I will show you how to make some cool returns all the way to the bank, everybody. So join me, noteweekend.com. Don't miss. Let's have some fun and let's kick some ass, everybody. Woo! Cool it off, baby. Ah!